cheddar cheese. No. Lettuce and tomatoes. That's cold cut.
Lettuce, tomatoes, pickles.
Lettuce.
Pickles, cucumbers, and mushrooms. And pineapple.
Pickles. Onions.
Mushroom, pineapple.
Peppers, yeah.
Yeah, we do pepper. Black pepper, right? Banana pepper. Banana pepper.
And a couple of
Okay.
Uh,
Do you want salt, pepper, oregano on it?
I'll have mayo and
Salt, pepper, and oregano. Mayo mustard. Salt, pepper,
Sure, let's do salt.
oregano.
We'll do salt,
Thank you, guys.
pepper.
Okay.
you want another tray?
And for sauce,
A little bit of chipotle.
yeah,
You got there? Food?
I got a cold cut, cold regular. Tzatziki, regular cold cut large.
Yeah, and I'll get his 6-inch combo and a ball.
Same thing, cold cuts. Do you want this toasted?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay, whenever you're ready. Do you need your receipt for this?
Is that a 6-inch for him? Yeah. Okay. The noodles?
Yeah.
And you want real?
You guys dining or take out?
Oh, I mean, I do.
Eat it, yeah.
Is he eating or what?
No toaster, right?
Yes, please.
Okay, you go this way. I go this way.
So we can start this.
Yeah.
Just the ham sub Greek fries. I'll drop the Greek fries.
Yeah, sure. Hi there. 296, Yanni. He's right here to pick up that order. Large. We have hot You want a small one, right?
Bang bang.
Not yet, just fries. Yanni, we want the larger, small fries for our order.
Never mind, no fries.
No fries. Okay. So this one for lamb. No, just the small. And got the timer already.
296, right? Yeah. And large over there.
Hi guys, welcome to Sub Express. Grill your sandwich, Yeah. What do you have to roll?
What's that one?
Turkey bacon. And she have a small Mama's fries, Yanni? Hi there.
Grab your drink and I'll get it all ready for you, okay? Just need about 2 minutes for your fries. What that? And what kind of bread would you like?
Coming through. Coming through. Okay, this is ready. Then it's coming there. I can have the next one here. Hello, how are you today?
Get a BLT on white.
White? Small or large?
Make it light, please.
I just need one bread.
Small or large? What kind? I have a list here. The list, the bread.
Can you put this back for me? What kind of cheese? Lettuce and tomatoes? Lots of lettuce, yeah. That's good.
Yeah, lots of red onion.
What are you making here?
It's a BLT, honey. That's good, or you want more onions?
That is amazing. How about this tomato?
Okay.
And some tomatoes.
Ma'am, what are you making?
Tomatoes.
Coconut.
Okay, what else?
Extra mayo.
Yep.
And some onions.
Greek one. That's good.
Yeah.
No more chicken? Okay.
Mayo mustard. Yeah.
Do you want this toasted? That's okay. It's all fixed. Yes, toasted? No toasted?
We have
And you want
BLT, thank you. I can have the next one. Hi there.
sub on white large.
On white?
Oh, here to go.
You want your seat?